Hey everybody, it's Justin here from Scratch Steer, and I'm gonna continue the tutorial I did from last time. Shout out to Han Solo for making me do this, or not making me, but giving me the opportunity to do it. Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna be building this game from the ground up. We're gonna call it a maze, as you can see, my maze. Yeah, we might get a little bit more sophisticated, but that's all we have for now. So I'm gonna be building this game from the ground up. I'm gonna what's it called? I'm gonna be, where is it? Let's say, logo. Okay. Let's say this is my official background. So, let's use that. Okay. So, we're gonna play around with some effects. So one of the important things in Scratch is to make it look good. Well, if you're gonna make a really cool game, so we're gonna make it, we're gonna start, switch the background here on 0, logo 0, whatever. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna, set brightness effect to -100. So if you think about that, when you set to -100, you're making it really dark. You're kind of reversing the effect, like brightness effect. If say I set it to 100, it would kind of make it. Whoopsies. Yeah, make it a lot brighter, but whatever. So I'm setting it to 0, and that sets it to neutral. Back again. Now if I set it to -100, blanks out the entire screen. So we're just gonna add clear graphic effects. If you really mess up the computer with Scratch with the graphic effects, clear graphic effects can be very useful. So we're just gonna do that, and there are repeat block will come in handy here. So I find to make it look smooth, let's undo this effect. To make it look really smooth, I suggest it's to change the effect really fast. I suggest repeat 25 and change the effect by 4 each time. So yeah, because that just makes it back to 100, so 25 times 4, you know. Then we're gonna wait 1 second. Let's say, actually, let's say 0.7 seconds. Alright, so let's do that next. So let's just see how that works. What the flippity flop? Oopsies. -4, of course. You probably saw that, but okay. So broadcast. Let's say here. I don't know. Broadcast. Let's use the broadcast button here, and we are going to make a new message, and we're gonna say title, because after logo comes title, usually. I mean, unless you're gonna have multiple logos, like if it's a collab project, but you can do that later. So let's say broadcast title. So I'm gonna make a new sprite. Let's call it start button. Let's make it not that complicated. Text. Let's say start. Let's make this a little bit bigger than it is. Hold on. My favorite thing in Scratch is to play around and see how good I can get the graphics. Fill. I'm gonna undo. What the heck? Redo. Oh my god. It's taking forever. Oh my god. Start. And it's supposed to be a lot quicker than that. And my mouse is like flickering. And this is very glitchy. I wish the Scratch fix this. That is annoying. That was the doorbell. So, yeah. Okay. There we go. And let's delete that. Let's delete that. And let's edit that actually, because I want this background of the start button to be, let's say, light blue. Okay. Get it A. Alright, so, we're gonna call this, another helpful thing if you want to stay organized, like if you don't want to keep track of all these things, like by memory, you can, you click on the sprite, say, click on the sprite, I hit the little I button in the corner, and I can rename the sprite. So let's call it, for example, okay, so, so I can edit it like that. Let's see your start. What was it? Stupid. So I could, let's call it the start button. That's the words I was looking for. And now you can hit back, and this gives you all the information, like gives the X, the Y, the direction, everything. So, yeah. So now that we have our start button, let's make a, new background. Let's call it, what's it called? Let's make a new background. Let's edit backdrop one. Let's call it the title. Okay. Title is gonna be a background, light blue background. That's some green in there because we all like our green, don't we? Gotta eat your greens. Whatever. It's a little grass, and let's draw a little sun too. Wait, that was a line. Help me. I'm gonna do this until I get it. Yay! Fill. And let's make. That's a very bad thing, but whatever. I like sunny places. Okay, so, then we're just gonna undo what we did here. Actually, let's just put that there. I'm not gonna broadcast title this time though. And we're gonna make you hide. Start button. Because go stand in a corner and hide and think about what you've done. I don't know. So let's just make it this way. So oh, actually I forgot to do that. So a good idea. This is a good way to do it. So you can have a little sequence with your title or something like that. So it starts. You want to have everything prepared before. So like this is my preparation sequence. So I have I have it switching to my to the background I want. So I switch to this background here. And then I set the brightness effect. So I kind of say like this is everything I want to have. It's kind of like ready, the ready part for the runners, you know, ready, set, go, you know, stuff like that. So I put that there. And then as you go, I think that generally you want to go title. Yeah, I already had that. So then let's do it again. Yeah, what's it called? Oh yeah. So then let's just make sure this works. So the best part in games, you want to make it one piece at a time. You know. So wait, hold on. Oopsies. I don't want that part. See, I have to several times debug this stuff until it works. So now, see, we have our little tile screen. See, Yay, title, son. So anyways, next, we're just gonna have, when I receive title. So, the one I receive helps a lot because if you're gonna have things just pop up and stuff like that. So let's say show. So let's see how this works. I popped up a little early. So, this is a good idea about how you can debug stuff and stuff like that. So, let's do this. I start. Yay! It's all done. Yeah, this is quite important. So yay, now we have, our start sign and all that. So, let's give some scripts to the start sign. I'm gonna have to end this at some point, like in the next 5 minutes. So, yeah. So we had our, thing. It showed up. Yay. So, now that the start sign is shown, let's actually make a title. Let's edit this. Make a nice big title. What's it called? Oh yeah, Justin. No, I don't want to be black. Black. Justin's maze. Okay. Okay. So now that we have our start button, we have this little logo going. See? So yeah. I know it took a little while, but that's what we're having for next time. So if you'd like, subscribe if you want, etc. Just yeah. See you guys next time. Give me feedback.